I've got a model here I'd like to do a 5-axis swarf on. And as we turn it around, we can see that we've got some backdraft in the walls, we've got some slanted surfaces, a little bit of surface curvature back here, a little bit more backdraft. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go up to NC, drop down to 5-axis, and choose multi-surface swarf. I've already got my mask turned on, so we'll say visible and tell SURFCAM that we're done. I've got my bull nose selected, so let's go over here to cut control. Let's take a look at our rapid area. Well, maybe let's add just a touch more to our rapid. And instead of parallel to a curve, we're going to choose morph between two curves, and we're going to zig here. For vector control, we're default as well as leads and links. So let's go ahead and say OK. First thing it wants is the lower curve, so let's do that. And then the upper curve, do that as well. And then take a look at the path that SURFCAM has developed. Now that looks pretty nice. You can see the backdraft there. Now one thing that may not be ideal is where it's starting here. So let's ask SURFCAM if they wouldn't extend that for us. So let's right mouse button, go to our operations manager, right mouse button again, and say regen with original. Let's go over here to our cut control tab, and let's ask SURFCAM to extend that area. And how about say 150% of the tool diameter, and let's say OK. Alright, well that's better where it's starting there. Let's take a look at what the path looks like, shall we? Let's go ahead and do that. We can even turn on our holder if we'd like. Well, that looks pretty good. Got a lot of 5-axis movement there. Maybe we can smooth that out just a touch, and perhaps we can smooth this area here as well. So let's do it. Let's go here and let's right mouse button, operations manager, right mouse button again, and choose regen with original. Let's come on over here to our cut control. Things look good there. Our vector, let's try changing it. Instead of ortho, let's go to ISO direction. And for our leads and links, let's go ahead and let's approach from a rapid clearance there. That'll give us a lead in and a lead out. And let's ask it to blend those areas in between. So let's see what that looks like for us. Okay, well that looks nice and smooth back there, and nice the way that it enters for us. Let's take a look at the path now. Let's hit this, and let's turn on the tool. Nice area back there, much smoother, good movement for us. Very good. So in just a few clicks, we've been able to modify our lead-ins, our lead-outs, choose what kind of motion we want, and get a nice path out of SURFCAM.